Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. Today I'm going to guide you through simple Qigong exercises that you can do to build leg strength and improve flexibility. I teach weekly Qigong classes and most of my students are older adults, so if you are in that age group and looking for gentle, self-paced exercises that can help you restore core strength and gain stability, I invite you to join me today. The exercises are easy to learn and do and will only take you a couple of minutes. Let's begin. Stand up straight, soften your knees, relax your whole body. Begin with a breathing exercise. Inhale through the nose and raise the hands up. Slowly exhale through the mouth and relax down. Inhale. refreshed and relaxed. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching and have a good day.